Vegas Pro 17. You know what? I don't think Vegas Pro has seen an update of this scale in a very long time. In fact, one of the things that I'm really looking for is this audio syncing feature. My God, it has been an excruciating pet peeve that knowing an NLE that has this stellar audio engine does not quite have this basic feature, which has become very, very common in the market of NLEs. So I'm really happy to see this. Even if it's just optimized for multicam editing, that's okay. As long as it's there, I'm quite happy. In fact, given that this year has been I've been quite distant from the Adobe machine, the Adobe Cloud and its products, I was actually really this close to purchasing the Red Giant plugin that is Plural Eyes, this wonderful plugin for audio syncing. So knowing that Magix has finally released something like this is a breath of fresh air. I am very happy with Vegas Pro 17. I haven't tried it yet. I'm still waiting for the key, but I am very happy. 4K flies on Vegas Pro, at least on my workstation. I have not seen another NLE handle 4K this fast. Well, probably with the exception of DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Pro, but it's just amazing what Vegas Pro can do, knowing that it does not properly make use of your GPU. So this new release of being able to capitalize on the GPU power of your NVIDIA card is an absolute stunner. In fact, I think I would attribute this particular feature to FX Home rather than Magix. Both have been very vocal about their partnership, and FX Home has created a really powerful post-production solution called HitFilm Pro, and I do not think, in fact, I would dare call it second to none in its utilization of GPU power. So I would suspect that FX Home has a hand in providing this feature to Magix for Vegas Pro. In fact, in this year's NAB, both companies announced that they would be working together on a software called Vegas Post. So, no surprise. Also, can we talk about the color wheel revamp, the whole interface that they introduced? I'm particularly happy about this because, to be honest, I've really grown tired of using Vegas Pro's curves and color levels. In fact, I don't think I've ever used them in the past couple of years, given that I'm a frequent buyer of FX Home's Ignite Pro package, which is a massive arsenal of effects, on one of them being color grading and color correcting facilities. In fact, there were times where I never adjusted the white balance using Vegas Pro's facility. It just never got it right. Sometimes I'd have to dial it manually, which sucked, although Ignite Pro has been a massive release. So to see Vegas Pro actually revamping the most fundamental features is something that I find is quite good. In fact, I really hope that somewhere down the line we can actually see an improvement in the way that we insert text on Vegas Pro. I still am not quite happy with the way text is being written on your format as a separate event. Sometimes you'd be forced to stack up so many text events just to have multiple texts in the same frame and animate them differently. And sure, there is Protype Titler, but that too isn't quite an effective solution given how much of a clunky plugin this is. And in fact, I think it's probably as old as Sony Vegas Pro 12, if not Sony Vegas Pro 10. So, not to go off topic, the color revamp is also a breath of fresh air. There are, of course, a multitude of features that would probably take up an hour to discuss in this recording, but the point of this isn't to list down every feature, but rather just simply spread my personal excitement about this product. Are there going to be any bugs down the road? Yeah. Hold on to your hats and your bootstraps. There will be bugs. I am pretty sure. But that's just the hurdle that comes in with every release of a new software. I cannot recall any time where Vegas Pro, Adobe Premiere, Avid, or even HitFilm Pro has released a new update without encountering some problem along the way. It is simply the nature of development. I have come to accept that. I hope other users come to accept that too. I'm thrilled for Vegas Pro 17. I'm thrilled for Magix. This is going to be a good year. Hope you guys enjoy the product when you get it. I still haven't. Still waiting for the key. See you in the next recording. Oh, and please do subscribe.